the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon, one of the best 3D printers on the market today. And I bought one. So today, we'll be putting it to the test by printing a giant Fat Yoshi. I know. Can it do it? Will it work? How long? How much? Today, we will find out. I found this 3D model by Blinker Lights on Thingiverse. Link in the description if you want to download it. Now we scale it up. Now, after some fancy settings that I know nothing about, we're going to slice this. Here we go. Now that I have sliced it into layers, let's go get our colors. We need white, red, green, and black. For this print, I will be using a print bed. Alright, got all the filaments loaded up. Everything in the slicer looks good. Now that I have all the colors loaded in, let's go ahead and send this print off to the 3D printer. What's nice about this 3D printer is I can monitor the print from my phone or from my computer. Scratch! Now, all we have to do is wait 1 day and 16 hours.
Guys, it's done.
Ooh. Nice. Ooh.
Oh man. Look at this thing. A couple strings and whatnot.
Let's get it off the build plate.
Alright. Oh man. And here it is, the final Yoshi. Oh man, it's big. And it came out really well too.